Dholera is? Let me tell you, it's not just another urban project, it's a significant part of Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which means DMIC. Simply put, it's being built as a new generational city that aligns with international standards, combining modern infrastructure, advanced system and sustainability. In terms of location, it's 100 km from Ahmedabad. This sound might distance, but connectivity has been carefully planned. The city will be well linked through direct expressway access, close location to the dedicated freight corridor. All of this positions Dholera as a future center for trade, logistics and industrial growth. Now let's look at what truly makes it a smart city. The infrastructure here is designed to be fully digital and efficient. Essential services like water, electricity and drainage will run underground. Intelligent traffic systems to reduce congestion and improve travel time. With that, high-speed internet throughout the city. It represents a more efficient and connected way of urban living. Beyond residential benefits, Dholera is also being shaped as a major industrial and business destination. It has been designated as a SIR, Special Investment Region. Industries such as manufacturing, electronics and renewable energies are expected to expand here. With that, multiple companies have already expressed interest. This indicates strong potential for employment and business growth in the upcoming years, and a well-planned green areas and wide roads with advanced waste management system. The vision is to create a city in both modern and environmentally responsible. Now let's talk about investment, a topic that attracts a lot of attention. Dholera is widely considered a promising option for long-term investment because property rates are currently on the lower side, plus strong backing from the government and high expectations from future appreciation. However, it is important to approach this with the right mindset. This is not a short-term gain opportunity. It's a long-term investment that requires patience, careful research and informed decision-making. If you're thinking about pricing, then it starts from 13.44 lakhs only. Relying solely on hype or external opinions can be risky. So you can contact us on the number flashing on your screen for further details. Thank you.